Nih,
Apa Friday? Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Wah, tadi kau ayam sok plum. Buat miah ong, bisa ong, balak kaya miah ke sok plum. Tadi sekarang miah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but shispa % ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Menturang ba ka jelau konrat kongkal sangma haga khatlai tri ujumang araja apun rio la plipat ba ya ka skill rate araja apun rio hani hu Shnong but benbenaru saltri ki program ki bathamai ki bathamu but penklan ya ka skill development ecosystem but ban penyar ya kila yo kam yo jam but kilat sengkam sengjam na ka benta ki samla ya kani ka program la pelong da ka Department of Labour, Employment and Skill Development ka Sarkar Jilla harangkat ka jinga trelang but ka skills Meghalaya but ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society ki sautri kilat bathamai ki bahap Hapoh ka skills Meghalaya ki kenthum ya ka propel ka ba ajing kershan ki samla ki brandon Hapoh ka jingsha jinghikai pentibit ka mega skill ka yarap ki samla ban yo kam shabari ka shil bat ka equip ha kani singi la sakilang da u CEO ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society u Dr Vijay Kumar D u Chief Electoral Officer ka Jilla u Dr BDR Tiwari ka Commissioner and Secretary ka Kong Mat Siodor wa Nongbri ki officer ki Nongshong karkhana ki Nongsha hikai pentibit bat ki Nongseng kam ba pher
Ladies and gentlemen, as spout has been unfurled, please give a warm applause and I keep happening of a jump for like a big paper cloud on the South East scheme, Malabanga, the Department of Labour, Marin, Bu, MSS, DNS. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you to the dignitaries for doing the honors. In top teen of the Nagini Baba School Hall. But Kadu, Iwanisha, the trainees give a train about general masonry or those trainees trained in general masonry. Tasashi sien ng grupa ni Baro bagin ay jing thapti ikong belaham ni ikong nakado ha kani kasbay.
At the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, we believe that skill is more than training. It is dignity, confidence, and the power to transform lives. Through learning, industry partnerships, and pathways to employment, MSSDS connects aspiration with opportunity, empowering youth to step into new careers, new enterprises, and new horizons across the country. From local communities to national industries, our journey is building a workforce that is resilient, capable, and future-ready. Every trained hand strengthens the family. Every opportunity builds the community. Every success story moves Meghalaya and the nation forward.
Mention lakukan kami Meghalaya State Skill Development Kebalaan. Yang kami training kalau itu nanti di kuat Islam atau kuliah kalau itu yang kasar. Ya ini tu pun ada ayo yang terus. Yang ini kalau ada yang cuci ini yang action lah semua semua.
I'd like to thank our Chief Minister
Conrad K. Sama for giving us this opportunity where we can go abroad. Thank you so much, sir. Coming abroad was just only a dream for many of us, but through your help and support, we are able to prepare to gain new experience.
MSSDS training gave me practical skill and confidently helped me getting a job in the hospitality industry.
Start learning at Dukan in February, ajar amsam. Ada penting dari training di bawah Dukan skin job MSSDS. Ayo syukur di cintai dengan Hapoh. Ini bangku lagi orang lupa dan keluarga MSSDS training. Menambah apa yang buat kau tentang ini juga support dan juga
Friends, the program that we are having today is most probably one of the most important programs for our government. As a government, one of the biggest challenges that lies ahead for us is the creation of livelihood and job opportunities. Having a younger population, even when we compare it to the rest of the country, poses many more challenges compared to other parts of the country. Meghalaya is a young state where 50% of our population is below the age of 20. And hence, large number of jobs have to be created to sustain our economy. Every year, we have a challenge of approximately 60,000 plus minus 60,000 individuals entering the workforce every year. And as we move further into the future, these numbers will keep going up. And hence, as I mentioned in my opening remarks, the creation of livelihood and jobs is the biggest challenge for our government and for any other government in the country. And that is why I say that this program today is one of the most important programs that we are having. As mentioned by Commissioner Secretary, that there are many programs that are being conducted by Government of India. But like many programs of Government of India, which are made for the entire country, there are challenges in the state. And hence, all programs sometimes do not lead to the desired outcome that we would like to see. And that is why we decided to come up with our own skills program. A program that will be funded by us, that can be tailor-made to our needs and can be tweaked as and when required. Our partners, which is the Asian Development Bank, have been very helpful in ensuring that we take this program forward. Close to 50% of the funding comes from the externally aided project from ADB. And here I would like to share that there are many critics who criticize the externally aided projects that we bring in, stating that these are loans. I would like to once again clarify in this program that while these programs and schemes are approved, it is Government of India that pays back majority of this loan. Almost 80% plus of this money is repaid back by Government of India. The burden does not come on our state or on our people. But the benefit is here for all of us to see. It is because of these externally aided projects, thousands of our youth have been trained. These are real, tangible benefits that we can see. Benefits that are changing lives. Benefits which are creating opportunities. Benefits which is giving employment to our youngsters. That there is enough flexibility for the youth to be able to choose what they desire to do. And our objective is to avoid any form of forceful migration to get jobs. And hence, if you look at our skilling program, that is precisely what we have tried to achieve. Why is today's program different and special? I would like to share with you. We realized that the training and skilling is being given to the youth. Different certifications are being given. But after the training is done, they don't have the necessary means, the necessary tools, the necessary support to be able to utilize the skills that have been given to them to actually then convert it into a livelihood program. And this again has come through experience, through feedback from different trainers, different training partners, different trainees. And that's why today's program is very special for us. This is in a way a response to CM Connect, where many trainees have mentioned to me that, sir, I was trained in handicraft. About 2,400 people have been trained in handicraft. But there were no tools that were provided to them to be able to then pursue the handicraft training that has been given to them. And therefore, in today's program, we will be providing toolkits to different trainees based on their training that they received. Whether you are a tour guide who wishes to be in his own village, explore the tourist locations and support tourists coming in and create livelihood from that. We have a training program for you, and also we have a tour guide kit that is being provided. Each kit amounting to approximately 9,000 rupees, where in this tour guide kit there are components like a portable camping tent which you can use to camp in some location and of course allow the tourists also to have their enjoyment. Simple aspects of climbing ropes, knee pads, elbow pads, gloves, different kind of waterproofing materials, so on and so forth. Different kind of toolkits will have different components in them. Similarly, if somebody got a training in plumbing, different toolkits are being provided to our young plumbers so that they can actually start to earn their livelihood. Similarly, automotive services, the technicians who have been trained, today these technicians will get a toolkit which will have different components in them so that they can utilize the skills that have been provided to them. And like mentioned in the slide that we saw, that we are targeting close to 21,000 of our trainees to receive these kits. We will be spending close to, if my memory serves me correct, close to about 24 crores will be spent in providing these kits to our trainees, and we will keep improving the kits based on feedback that comes from you, and we will also ensure that more and more trainees in the future can also get benefit of these training kits. And while we do that, I want to share with you that roughly we spend about 40,000 rupees as a government, plus minus, for every single trainee that we train. So approximately 80 crores has been spent by the government in the last 3 years since we have started the Meghalaya Skills Program. And you'll be happy to know that based on our rough estimates that we have made, that these 80 crore rupees that we have invested in all the trainees, including all the ones who are present out here.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shnong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Snem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Snem's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is Stem's, our ride, our future.